All right, this last one. This is the AE86 Sprinter Trueno. Um, Very popular casting. It's to the point where I didn't even bother looking for these because I just feel like everyone's searching for them. And I actually found one in the bottom of a bin. I was super ecstatic to find this because it's like I said, it's one of those castings. It's one of those items that I'm just like, I doubt I'll find it, and I'm not gonna stress over it. I'm not gonna try to overpay on eBay for it. So to find it um, is very cool. Now, the reason why I wasn't too worried about the getting one is because I have a couple of Tomica versions, and I have the Tomica Dream, A86 from Initial D. So I was very, like I said, I'm very content with stuff, but I gotta admit, the detail as far as the graphics and the lowering and stuff like that, it's pretty damn cool. Um, Very again fortunate to come across this, and I'm super happy that I did.